Welcome to The Modern Lady, where you'll learn how to elevate your life with elegance. Ladies, this is the most exciting announcement I've had since the announcement of Je Ne Sais Quoi. This book is out on ebook. That's right. I have received so many emails, comments, tweets, DMs. I've received postcards. I have heard you ladies, and I am so excited to announce that Je Ne Sais Quoi is available in ebook format, and it is available on Amazon. What this means is that Amazon United States version and Amazon International, you can find it. I know that Amazon in other countries has not really had my book available on the website, so the ebook is out, it's available, and this is going to be such a game changer. You ladies have been pouring in with your request for the ebook. You want it so that you have it when you're on the go, when you're on the subway or on an airplane, when you're traveling for work or personally. And ladies, I am so excited to have it available for you. So let me tell you how this is going to work. Je Ne Sais Quoi is out. The ebook is out. It's available as of today on Amazon. All Amazon versions, international and United States version. And it's available for pre-order. So what that means is that you'll be able to make your purchase so that you get it as soon as it goes live. It's going live on Friday, January 3rd, the first Friday of the new year. It's a great start to kick off your New Year's, to get some je ne sais quoi in your life. Add some elegance, add some class, some style and sophistication, and je ne sais quoi will definitely help you to do that. So what you'll want to do is go to the link in the description below, make your purchase, get the ebook, make sure that you'll get the access as soon as it goes live. And I'm just so excited, ladies, to give you what you've been asking for. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that when you have the ebook, it's accessible, it's a really great resource for you. I know that lots of women love the paper copy. They love to flip through the pages and highlight and take notes, but I also know that in this digital age, we like to have a digital version as well. So the ebook is here. It is available on Amazon. I hope you ladies check it out, pre-order it, and enjoy it. So it's coming soon on Friday, January 3rd, but you can go ahead and pre-order today so that you've got your copy as soon as it goes live. Ladies, my challenge to you is to find someone in your life that could really get the value of all of the contents of this amazing book. And I'm not saying it's amazing because I wrote it. I did write it, yes, but I've also reread it because guess what? We all need a reminder. We need that source of inspiration. We need to constantly make sure that we are keeping our cup filled with lots of love and light, and this book certainly will do that. So there's got to be at least one person in your life, a coworker, a friend, a sister, a parent, someone in your life that you can gift Je Ne Sais Quoi to, and the ebook version is perfect for you to do that. So I'd love to know in a comment below, who can you think of in your life that could really benefit from reading and applying Je Ne Sais Quoi to get some style and sophistication in their lives as well. Thanks for tuning into the channel, ladies. I look forward to seeing you again in another video, and so excited about the ebook release of Je Ne Sais Quoi. The link is in the description below. I'll see you ladies in another video. Bye.